All right. Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew, and I don't want to work anymore. And if I trade like yesterday, that's never going to happen. I'll work the rest of my life. That Wolf, what's going on, dude? What's up? Nasdaq land. Man, how are you today? You seem like you're pumped up. Where were you yesterday? Did you catch that ripper, or did you try to short every top like I did for 23 times all day long? It was it was a bad trading day for me yesterday, man. I really thought we were going lower, and we just went up and up and up. And yeah, where is that? Oh yeah, that's this day here. Never forget. I will never forget a day like yesterday. Looking for shorts. Yeah. Well, anyway, today's a new day and another learning day. So let's have a look at what we got going on here. Do we have a new day opening gap? I haven't even looked. It's like I've kind of like totally forgot about that thing even exists. Where is our new day opening gap? It's got to be in here somewhere, if there is one. It doesn't look like there is one. 18, 1645. No new day opening gap to speak of. And some equal lows here, which is inside of our 15-minute fair value gap. And I'm bullish today, so not gonna make that mistake. I was home with parents, did some barbecue, so I missed the stream. Yeah, well, unless you were bullish yesterday, you weren't gonna miss anything other than a lot of losing trades. Actually, I think during the stream I did get into one winning trade, but it was a short and then it reversed. I still closed it out with like 90 bucks and then continued to look for shorts until sometime in the noon hour. I was like, oh, I don't think this is coming down anymore. Raghav, how are you? How was your day today? I'm guessing everyone's gonna be bullish today. Oh crap. Keep that on the 5-minute. This one I'm on the daily. I think we can retrace back still and take out I feel like we can still take out Asia and London lows, or we can just drop into this 15-minute fair value gap and just keep going for all-time highs. We will see, but I wouldn't be surprised if we were left with a daily fair value gap here. But yeah, I'm tired today. I am not in my routine since my wife is gone, so like I said, me and my dog are up to no good, and I haven't been to the gym. Oh, here we go. Here's some equal lows right here that we've just taken out. This is our opening price. Man, you can hardly see that thing. Okay. Taking out some buy side. 30-point candle. Short today, I think. It has extended too much, so I don't have a bias to expecting retracement though. Yeah, I don't know. Short today. Everybody's short today. I think the daily draw on liquidity is all-time highs. If we get a inversion here, I'll take a short, but for a long we need to come into this fair value gap here. Taking a long at the daily high is pretty tough to do, I think. And since our opening candle did sweep buy side, I think the new rule is you could use this as the first presented fair value gap. If you guys have caught any of ICT's newer rules about the first presented fair value gap. What is this low? 490.25. 490.25. I'm just trying to see if this low was swept. It just made a double. Those are all in line. No, these are lower. 490.25. These are all equal lows right here. I can't even see that. When we're supposed to be longing off of here. Long wicks. Not a good sign. Super volatile today. I'm definitely not going to jump in on this. These wicks are just way too long to give you any like clear direction of what's going on. What have we got on the higher time frame? And still bullish on the higher time frame. What about on the 4 hour? Just looking for a spot where like, is that a 4 hour FEG right there? It's reaching up for at 22,562. Once the price get to 22,470, at least is consequent encroachment of the 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I wonder if the draw though is up here, 22,562, into this 4 hour fair value gap. There's even a volume imbalance in here. We want to include that where there's no price. 22,549. There's also inversion in there. Top of it being 22,487. 22,4, that's not right. The high 22,487. How is that possible? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart. It's actually consequent encroachment of this 4 hour fair value gap. It's exactly where it is. That will this look better? You wanted white. I even made the wicks black, so it's the highest contrast for your eyes, just for you. Look at this, no fair value gaps going up, even though these candles are fairly large in size. Go to the 15-minute here. Where are we at? It's just grinding higher. So I did some back testing on, in the summertime at least. It's superb. So I was talking, who was here yesterday? That Wolf, you weren't here. I saw someone post that there was an 82% win-loss ratio for the inversion of the first presented fair value gap. So I started playing with that yesterday, and so he had between 2022 and 2024, he claimed that the first presented fair value gap, when it's inverted, has an 82% win-loss ratio. And that is definitely not what I found yesterday. YM took PM low and going towards first hour fair value gap, looking long there. Okay. Right, I was looking at, whoops. I'm sticking to Nasdaq. Gonna wait for this to go up in here. I even turn this into a quadrant. Look at this. Shit. ICT would be proud. Look at that. Starting to run out of steam here. Not looking so hot on the 5-minute. Yeah, this is gonna reverse. I can see it. I can see it, and it's gonna come for these equal lows that it made this morning with the first yeah, that is the first candle of the day. We made equal lows right here. So looking for shorts. Really? Great results for YM. Interesting. I'm gonna make a note about that. I thought somebody else said something too about, where's my notepad? I'm gonna get ready for another push here. And you get up there. Create some, look at this. Oh, just when I thought we were gonna get a fair value gap. YM first presented IFVG. Yeah, where's my, there's a small gap in there. Do I have the spreadsheet open still? Oh, it's on my other page. What did I find? Not so great. Let's see here. Yeah, early Feb, or sorry, late Feb, it was actually, I guess through February it was okay. 402 points. And then in March, complete dog shit. But yeah, minus 297. But I think March was hard even on my old strategy. And then here through May and June, from May 26th till I think yesterday, almost 600 points, so not bad. And that's only adding, that's just one position. The way I did it was How did I do it? Yeah, as soon as you invert the gap, enter in as soon as you enter on the gap, and then I was just like in my previous strategy, I was just moving up my stop loss underneath every fair value gap low of the first candle or high. So just following it down, not adding any other positions, but just moving the stop with every fair value gap that was presented. So that's how I did it. But I'll look into YM some more. That's pretty interesting. Did you get really far on that, Raghav? Or let's see here. What was the RR on those? 82%. Yeah, so he never said what the RR was. But in mine, I think the average, I'd have to go back, but the average was high. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? I wonder if we're still premature on this. I wonder if there's still another push up, since that fair value gap is right there. That was on a 4 hour. Yeah. The daily top is in, eh? Well, I still got this fair value gap here. It's the only one made today, other than the first one. So I'm gonna wait. 26R with 55% win rate. Wow. How do you get a 26%, 26R if you only go 1 to 2? Especially with a 55% win rate. That seems cuckoo bananas. Oh, well, I may have missed this one too. That wolf. Okay, there's the sweep. We swept these lows. I'm looking now for retracement up here before going short. That's what I want. Somewhere in this 5 minute. Let's see here. If I was going to short on the first presented fair value gap, we get in there and my stop would have to be up here. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna happen as fast as we want. As fast as I want anyway. And we got these lows. Percent of your current balance, so when the balance increases the rewards increase. I see what you're doing. It's aggressive. It's aggressive for sure. What's going on here? We're almost there for a short. What do you guys think though? We're going to be able to get into a short here before the news in 6 minutes? Or is that going to be risky? How many points? If I went short here, 40 point stop, 34 point stop. A little rich. Just gonna wait a little bit higher. Get in there. Get up there. Just a couple more points. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. There it is. I'll take one position there. Where's my stop gonna go? That's gonna be the hardest part to figure out now. Right there. And I'll make it a double. 2 positions. And that's it. Where's the take profit gonna go? Asia lows. The highest FEG. So a little bit more, you say, like here. Man, I want to put a third position on being all the way up here. So I think sorry, what do we got here? Has to go above the highest FPG. It has not retraced enough for me to go long, and I don't want to short in this market. Yeah. Not sure I'd try to short this though. Johnny says no shorts. Okay, okay. Yeah, see how it just tapped into it. Yeah, tapped into it, and now it's because we took this low out with these lows. That's why I'm seeing, whoops, I'm seeing a move lower here into this 15-minute fair value gap, bare minimum. I can't move my, oh, there we go. So I don't want it to come above this high now. If I'm right, then this high should be safe. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And that's the end of today. The leg down didn't close below the 9:30 open though, so I'm not sure I'd trust it. A close below. I'd have to back test that. Oh, there's the news candle. We're cooked now. I think I just saw my TP right here. That'll do for today. Do you guys, it's a long weekend for us here. Oh wait, no it's not. I don't think I have. I think I'm off topic. Never mind. I thought we had a long weekend here, but I don't think we do. July 1st in Canada is a holiday, but it's on Tuesday. So I think I have to work on Monday. New home sales is orange folder. Usually not a big reaction, but maybe enough to get me green. Yeah. Well, I have Jerome Powell here as red and petroleum status at 10. New home sales consensus. So these are all red on Econo Day. Jay Powell just talking, so who knows how market will react. Yeah. Anytime that guy talks, they just... Okay, back below opening price again. Move my stop just below break even. I'm just gonna pull up my stop just a little bit. Or my TP. Might be good here. Let's go on a tank. Yeah, I would love that for me. Unless it's just going to turn around right here. If we get a close above this FEG, I'm just going to have to abandon the trade, I think. Did not take that low, so that's not a good sign. I'm out. $22,480. Yeah, that's the number I got there too. Well, I think that's it for today. Got a small little scalp in there. I moved my stop loss too much before coming down here. Probably would have been safe, but after the PTSD I got from yesterday's trading, it is what it is, and it'll probably get there. It's gonna go there right now. Anyway, I need to show more discipline and just exit and stop streaming and stop trading. I believe I've removed TradingView from my phone because 23 trades in a day trying to catch the top is not the way to be profitable going forward. Yeah, I did delete it. So we're looking okay. Still up. It's still up pretty good. So we'll keep it at that. And today is over. Thanks for coming out, guys. When are you going to stream with your dad? Okay, so that whole trip is over. Yeah, my trip got canceled because the flights out of Victoria were, yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna go back home to see my dad. That's the problem. That's the unfortunate part. We're on the single income right now. My wife just started her new business. She's not making any money yet. So staycations is where we're at this moment in time. So anyway, that's a conversation for another day. You guys have a good one. Thanks for coming out. Peace out. Cheers. Oh, I don't think my dad's got the... He don't got the technology. Also, my parents are not at home right now. They're at the summer cottage at the family cabin, and they don't have good internet service up there. So my dad's only going to be streaming, or sorry, only trading basically in the winters. So like between, I would say probably between like late September, October through May is usually when he's gonna be streaming. But he doesn't have like webcam and all that kind of stuff, and how old is my dad? He's in his 70s. He struggles with technology a little bit, but if he really wanted to do it, he would do it. He's also smart. He'll figure out how to do anything if he really wants to do it. So anyway, cheers guys, I'll catch you tomorrow.